In this tutorial, we'll spend a few minutes reviewing the Pages tab in the Aspen Parent Portal. The Pages tab is an overview module which shows news and announcements, as well as recent attendance and grading activity for your students. In the tab set directly below the green tab bar, there are building tabs that will filter the announcements by school. Scrolling down, you'll find both the recent activity and to-do modules. The recent activity module displays any recent absences or grade postings. If you want to search for a specific term or filter by attendance or grading, use the search bar or the radio buttons to narrow down the listed activity. To the right of the recent activity module is the to-do module. The to-do module lists any assignments or projects that are upcoming or overdue. If you have multiple students, you can use the drop-down menu to filter and select. If you want to see the view by week, click the week view option under the drop-down menu and the calendar will show. Clicking on the event will open a detail page.